Like that.
Good shape.
It is.
Belize green.
Belize green. You better believe it.
Belize green.
Welcome back to the Vic Build Series. In this video, we'll pick up right where we left off in the last one and finish assembling the engine.
Can you get it in there? We definitely did this the hard way.
I did?
Well, we should have done this before we did the power steering bracket. Who put that on?
They did a good job.
A little bit to the left.
I need to stand up. It's one of those you can't really see it, you gotta feel it.
What's in there?
Get it stuck good.
It's a steel water pipe too, so.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's why we painted it.
Alright, so I'm gonna go back to...
You can raise that seat. Will that help?
No, that's actually pretty good.
Oh. I think you got it. Yeah. Sweet. Well, now we can torque them down.
How do you torque this one?
You get your friend named Newton and you have him do it.
Tape?
Nope. Just crush washers.
And they go here?
Yeah. So we've got the external oil cooler, and we're gonna put on some
Black.
I think these are M16 to a 8AN adapter, so that we can run to our external oil cooler that we got. So we're putting crush washers on because these are meant to have crush washers, not O-rings.
Too loose?
Yeah, you're looking for the M16.
Need to have an apprentice put these back in order.
An apprentice?
Yeah.
Camden?
Yeah.
Ugh. These threads are gross. How's yours?
Pretty snug right away.
Yeah. Oh, they're gross out here. Let's clean those up. Okay, we got the threads cleaned up. And now we're just tightening them up.
With our MRI wrench.
MRI wrench, yes.
It feels like a kid's wrench.
It does feel like a toy, yeah. Because it doesn't weigh anything and it's big. I could get the set of AN wrenches,
But this is the only thing you use them on.
but this was cheaper. Look how good these look compared to the blue ones that were on there before.
How tight do you go?
Crush the washer a little bit. Let's go with that.
Turn the block.
Yeah. Those threads were real gross. It was really just, there was junk in them.
Oh.
It was like bits of thread tape.
Oh.
Yeah. Just gross stuff. There you go. All right. That looks a lot better.
Yep. Matches our color
Yeah.
scheme.
Got the rear roll stop on. Got the front roll stop on. Exhaust manifold's done. We got a belt on. A special wrench. So, yep. That's where we're at. Just keep going.
Before we get too far with the engine, we wanted to get the engine mounts ready. This means cutting out the old bushings, sandblasting and powder coating, then popping in a new poly bushing. It's a tedious process, but well worth it.
All right, we've got the mounts finished. They've all been sandblasted, powder coated, and we've got the Prothane polyurethane bushings in them. And it all looks really, really nice. Better than new. Yeah. Sweet. Wow, those are nice. Who got those?
Would you go buy new ones?
We did.
I didn't have a set.
I didn't either. I just kept robbing them all different places in the car. Where the bolt would go.
Yeah, where's the bolt for this? Oh, it's in the engine stand.
We forgot to do the rear main seal while we were cleaning the block, so we'll replace that now.
So what do you... So you want to get this
Good catch.
Caught it.
first baseman?
Which base?
We can lower it, put it over that tub, and then
Yeah, we need to do that.
I'll get the tub.
All right, I'll try to get this seal out. Seal. Yeah, it's on that table. It's in a gold scraper. Oh yeah,
You do a star pattern.
it's always safe.
Ooh.
Sweet. Now these oil panda bolts.
Gray and blue.
Yeah, this isn't actually doing anything. It's not holding anything. It's just sealing. All right, sweet. Now we can wire this. What?
That's not the ceiling.
Where's the ceiling?
It's up there.
Oh.
With that out of the way, we can move on to installing the flywheel. Remember that nasty flywheel from the first episode? This is what it looks like after a trip to our local clutch shop. They did a great job cleaning and stepping this old flywheel. Next comes the clutch. We're a huge fan of South Bend clutch kits here, so we decided to go with a Stage 2 Endurance for this 16G powered setup.
You're only putting those on at 14, right?
14.24 says it's a calculation based on like Newton meters or
Newton
something.
meters, which is ridiculous because it's not a real thing.
It's in America.
That's all of them? You double check?
Counted 6.
Are you sure that we did all the flywheel bolts too?
You know, if you'd spent entirely too much money on the new snap,
It counts.
Counts bolts.
Yeah, it does.
So that way, when you torque the head down, you can actually know. Yeah, I torqued all 10.
Yeah.
Or, oh, I did 9. Which one didn't I do?
Because it's a spring when you do them, yeah.
Yeah, this one.
All right, pull that out. Pull that. Oh no. Oh, that's good. All right, there we go.
There we go.
Start it up.
Before we can attach the transmission, we need to install the new OEM throwout bearing and pivot ball.
Just push this down on. There you go.
That stays there.
That's it. Now you get.
Thrown out.
Yeah,
Nice.
feels nice.
Maybe that throws out the bearing.
Oh yeah, that feels real good.
Or your back.
Throw out your back. I'm gonna get it off.
Get
the
the right
spine,
clutch.
An ACT 2900.
A vacuum actuated clutch.
Sweet. Now we can put this on. This is the new way to do this. This is old school DSMers used to do this the hard way. This is the new way.
Maybe go down a bit.
We need to. You want us to lower the rack?
No.
No, the engine needs to come up some now that this is.
Oh yeah. Matey.
A pin. I got some kind of pin in.
Peg on the side.
I don't know if I can say that.
Do we know where these bolts are?
Some of them.
Now we'll move on to the intake manifold, coils, and cyclone goodies.
Wow, that's nice.
We're installing the water return line for the turbo first so we can tighten it properly without the turbo in the way.
Okay, we're gonna put on the turbo. Here it is. All right. The turbo's on the car.
Is this even the same turbo? Man, this thing was filthy before.
It's a Evo 316G, but we put a billet wheel in it. It did say 47 right there, but we painted it, so you can't see it anymore, but it's legit. All right, let's get the plumbing on.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. In the next video, we get the chassis ready for the engine and slam that thing in there. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.
I don't know. I wish I could stay for more.
You leaving?
Yeah, this looks like a fun part coming up, though.
You can stay.
All right, since you said so.